Hello students, another important question that you can expect in section C. X equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube. Both the expressions contains 1 by variable and 1 by variable. So for that first find the value of 1 by x. The given number is x equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. First find the 1 by x as usual by method of conjugation, okay. But already I explained the concept. Whenever if you take the reciprocal, the final answer always conjugate of the given number. So 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5, which is equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5 by 9 plus 4 root 5, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and numerator as it is 4 root 5. Clear? So what is a? A is 9 and b is 4 root 5. 4 root 5. So which is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 by 9 square 81 minus 4 square 16, 16 into 5 18. The final answer is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now you can easily understand the concept of reciprocal of a binomial. Here it is x equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, 1 by x is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now adding these two cases, so what is x plus 1 by x? X equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 and 1 by x is 9 plus 4 root 5, which is equal to 18. Correct. And what is s? Now using this you have to calculate these two. For this first consider x plus 1 by x the whole square, so which is equal to 18 square. So expand this. If you expand x square, otherwise we have one formula. So I will explain in two ways. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 324. 18 square is 324. So what is x square plus 1 by x square? X square plus 1 by x square equal to 1 by x square equal to 322. Or you can use this method. Directly you can apply this formula. X square plus 1 by x square is x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. You can directly apply this formula, which is equal to 18 square minus 2, 324 minus 2, 322. Clear? Now similarly apply second case. This is first case, second case. So what is the second case? X cube plus 1 by x whole cube, x plus 1 by x the whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. These are all the repeated expressions we can use for evaluation. So what is x plus 1 by x whole cube? This is 18 cube minus 3 into 18, and 18 cube is 5832 minus 3 into 18 54, 3 into 18 54. So if you subtract this case, which is equal to 5778, 5778. Okay. Sometimes you can expect x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, or you can find the value of an expression which involve fourth power, third power and second power, but here it is second degree and third degree. You can practice fourth power and combination of all the expression value. Thank you.